Today we're diving into our stay at the luxurious Bahia Principe Fantasia Punta Cana. Let's step inside our Junior Suite Deluxe room and take a closer look. As soon as we enter, we're greeted with a sense of spaciousness and comfort. This Junior Suite Deluxe room boasts a king-size bed, perfect for a restful night's sleep. Plus, if you're traveling with a little one, there's a crib available, ensuring everyone's comfort is taken care of. Over here, we have a cozy sitting area, which can also double as an extra bed if needed. It's a great spot to unwind after a day of adventures or to enjoy some in-room dining, courtesy of the resort's room service. Speaking of dining, this round table provides a lovely setting for enjoying a meal in the comfort of your own space. Though I must say, we opted to dine in the resort's restaurants to savor the full culinary experience. Let's step outside onto our spacious balcony, offering stunning views of the resort and swaying palm trees. Complete with a table and chairs, it's the perfect spot to sip on a morning coffee or watch the sunset. Back inside, we have a convenient coffee area stocked with coffee and tea bags, ideal for a morning pick-me-up. And don't forget the mini fridge, replenished daily with refreshing beverages. Now let's explore the expansive washroom, featuring a large standing shower with double sinks, a toilet, and a luxurious jacuzzi tub for ultimate relaxation. Plus, with the option to open the blinds, you can enjoy a view of the room while pampering yourself. Lastly, we have not one, but two spacious closets, complete with a safe lock, iron, and plenty of hangers for keeping your belongings organized during your stay. And there you have it, folks. Our stay at Bahia Principe Fantasia Punta Cana's Junior Suite Deluxe room was nothing short of spectacular. From the spacious accommodations to the thoughtful amenities, it truly felt like a home away from home. Stay tuned for more travel adventures on our channel, and until next time, happy travels.